Imagine yourself standing at the top edge of a large waterfall, and the waters crashing below into a river fast flowing, and the waters continue onwards, and you're able to follow those waters to distant places, streams, rivulets, lakes, and animals grazing nearby drink from the water, and farmers are taking from the water and being able to provide the parched earth with drink. And some of the water finds its way into drinking fountains, and you drink from that water, and you recognize that the headwaters, the crashing waters of the waterfall, go all the way down to find their deepest level below, ultimately in you and me. All water flows to its lowest level, just like the Torah, from the heights above, descends, flowing down into lakes and rivulets, and we drink from that Torah, and you and I become wiser in following the water of the Torah expressed in the world below.